In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a demo account on Tradingview. By the end, you'll have a fully functional paper trading account so you can practice strategies with zero risk and get comfortable with the platform. Start by heading to the Tradingview website and sign in, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. The basic account is free and perfectly fine for paper trading. Once you are logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Chart. This opens the main charting workspace where you'll spend most of your time analyzing markets. Give it a second to load. You should see a price chart in the center with tools on the left, watch lists on the right, and various tabs around the edges. Now, open the trading panel. On the chart interface, look for the tab labeled Trading Panel. Depending on your layout, you might see it along the bottom or near the edge of the chart window. Click it to reveal a list of broker connections. This is where you connect either to a live broker or, in our case, to the built-in paper trading engine. Select Paper Trading by Tradingview. It's typically the first option. Click Connect. A small pop-up will appear explaining the connection. Click Connect again to confirm. Tradingview will now activate a default paper account loaded with virtual funds, usually $100,000. This is play money, so you can test ideas without risking real capital. You'll know it's active when you see your paper balance and connection status within the trading panel. From here, you can customize a few things to make practice more realistic for your goals. In the paper trading panel, open the account menu, and you'll find options to reset the balance. Change the account name and adjust settings. Resetting the balance is useful if you want to simulate a smaller or larger account size to match what you plan to trade in real life. Renaming the account can help you stay organized, especially if you are testing different strategies. In settings, you can fine-tune preferences like order confirmations and other trading behaviors to better mirror how you want to operate. That's all you need to get started. With your paper account connected, you can explore the chart, test entries and exits, and build confidence before going live. Remember, paper trading is a simulation, so fills and slippage can differ from real markets. But it's an excellent environment for learning. Take your time, keep notes on what works, and adjust as you go. Enjoy practicing on Tradingview, and happy trading!